Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off activity on my comments notification on YouTube. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Once you're on YouTube, you want to ensure that you sign into your account first and foremost, and then you want to click the notification bell on the upper right hand side. Now here is where you'll find your comments, but click the gear on the upper right hand side and you will see settings here. So you will just need to click on that, and here you'll find all of your notifications. Now under your preference on the general, right, you'll find the activity on my comments notification. So what this does, it notifies you about replies, likes, and other activities on your comments and activity on your posts on other channels as well. So you will see when people engage with your comments, like, comment, or reply to you, those content creators will reply to you if you ask them a questions. So this will be useful for you. So if this is something that you'll find useful guys, you want to ensure that you turn this on, because it is very useful to have so that you can interact with others as well and see who's interacting with you. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.